How are you?
I'm great, thanks for asking.
What is your name?
My name is Ben.
How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What is your job?
I am a graphic designer.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Are you tall?
Yes, I am quite tall.
Are you tired?
No, I'm energized.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
What is your email address?
It's ben.design@email.com.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and French.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
What is your nationality?
I'm Canadian.
Are you at home now?
No, I'm at my office.
What day is today?
Today is Tuesday.
What is the weather like?
It is cloudy.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What is your father's name?
His name is Robert.
What does your mother do?
She is a retired teacher.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my wife.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have one grandmother.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every few weeks.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Are your parents kind?
Yes, they are.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Mike.
Where does your friend live?
He lives in another city.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, we go out for dinner sometimes.
Do you call your friends every day?
No, but we text often.
Do your friends speak English?
Most of them do.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Is your family big?
No, it's a small family.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help them with technology.
Do your siblings study?
My sister is finished with school.
Do you have a cousin?
Yes, I have a few cousins.
Is your family important to you?
Yes, very important.
What do you do in the morning?
I exercise and have coffee.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat oatmeal with fruit.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
How do you go to work?
I walk to work.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8:30 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 4:30 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at home?
No, I eat at work.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym or read.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, my wife and I cook together.
Do you take a shower at night?
No, usually in the morning.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, we clean together.
What time do you get up on weekends?
I get up at 7 a.m.
Do you work on Saturdays?
No, I don't.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 4 times a week.
What do you do on Sunday?
I relax and prepare for the week.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, for groceries on Sundays.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, constantly while working.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I try to be.
Do you feel sick today?
No, I feel excellent.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, for annual checkups.
Do you take medicine?
No, not regularly.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I usually do.
Do you live in a city or village?
I live in a city.
Is your city big?
Yes, very big.
What is your favorite place?
I like the art gallery.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, for design books.
Do you go to the bank?
Yes. For deposits.
How do you go to school or work?
I walk.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
Do you walk to work?
Yes, I do.
Do you take the train?
Yes, when going downtown.
Is the bus fast?
Sometimes, depending on traffic.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak English?
Yes, fluently.
Can you cook?
Yes, I'm a decent cook.
Can you sing?
No, not at all.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading fiction.
Do you like cold weather?
Yes, I enjoy winter sports.
Do you like going to school?
I enjoyed university.
Do you like working?
Yes, I love my job.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a house.
How many rooms are in your home?
There are 6 rooms.
Is your home big or small?
It is medium-sized.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, a modern kitchen.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, a small one.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I keep it tidy.
Do you watch TV at home?
Yes, in the evenings.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we eat together.
Do you have a pet at home?
No, we don't.
Do you like your home?
Yes, I love it.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, for work and communication.
Do you sleep early?
No, not really.
Is it cold today?
No, it's quite mild.
Do you like snow?
Yes, especially for skiing.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.